In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your lightboxes in the Wix editor, specifically focusing on how to delete or disable them. If you've ever found yourself with an unwanted or cumbersome lightbox on your site, you're not alone, and I'll guide you through the steps to handle this with ease. First, let's begin by opening up the Wix editor. Once you've logged in and selected the site you'd like to edit, look for the lightbox element you want to address. In the left-hand menu, you'll see several options like Pages, Add, Site Design, and a few others. From these choices, go ahead and navigate to the Add button, which is visually represented by a plus sign. Once you're in the Add menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Lightbox. Clicking on the Lightbox section will bring up all the lightboxes that you currently have on your site. This section can also be handy if you're thinking about adding new lightboxes in the future, as it shows you both existing ones and templates for new creations. Next, once you've located the lightbox you desire to delete or disable, you'll need to hover over it with your cursor. Doing so will expose a small menu bar, which usually consists of a few icons for managing the lightbox. You should see options for editing and setting the lightbox's display settings, but the ones we're interested in today are those that allow you to either delete or disable it. If you wish to completely delete the lightbox, simply click the delete icon, typically represented by a trash can. Be cautious with this step, as deleting a lightbox will permanently remove it from your site, and this action often cannot be undone. If you're not entirely sure about permanently removing it, you can first save or back up your current site settings, giving you peace of mind if you choose to restore it later. Alternatively, if you think you might want to use the lightbox again in the future without having to recreate it from scratch, consider disabling it instead. To do this, select the Settings option for the lightbox. Within these settings, you'll find a toggle or a checkbox to disable the lightbox. Disabling it means it won't appear on your live site, but it's still safely stored in your editor for future use, should you change your mind. After making your changes, whether that's deleting or disabling the lightbox, always remember to preview your site to ensure everything appears as expected. It's a good practice to hit the preview button found at the top right corner of the editor. This step allows you to see your site in action without publishing changes immediately, providing one final opportunity to catch any unintended edits. Finally, if everything looks good, proceed to publish your site to make these changes live for your audience. As you become more familiar with these steps, managing lightboxes will become